Welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today I am going to do some wet and sticky baby back ribs on the Pit Boss 1100, Pro Series 1100. I'm going to smoke it on the 200 degree level, get lots of smoke for about 3 hours. We will do the 3-2-1, so we will wrap it after 3 hours and for 2 and then 1 out. So here we go. Today I am using Pit Boss Competition Hickory Maple and Apple Blend for our pellets. Should give us a nice good smoky flavor. Okay, so here are our extra meaty baby back ribs. Nothing special to do with them. They don't need any trimming. I already took the silver skin off. And I'm going to use my own rub, all-purpose rub. I added extra brown sugar since these are pork ribs, and we want them wet and sticky. So, I'm also going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and I'm actually going to use the barbecue sauce as the binder. So, I'm going to put a little bit on there, not too much, just need enough to get the rub to stick. I usually use olive oil, but we want these we want these wet and sticky, so nothing like finger licking good, right? Okay. And then we just add our rub. Sorry about that. All right, pat it in. Turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Some barbecue sauce. Some people like the ribs dry, which are good that way. Every now and then we'll make them dry, but most of the time we'll make them wet. Barbecue sauce. Like I said, nothing like finger licking good while you're eating the ribs. So it doesn't take a whole lot of barbecue sauce. We're just wanting the rub to stick. Add the rub. Go on kind of thick. Okay, so that's that part. We'll get it here on the, we're gonna let it rest for 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll put it on the smoker. And we're ready to get these on. Again, we are running at 200 degrees. This Pit Boss, it performs great. I don't know if you own one or if you're just using any other kind of pellet grill, which this can be done on, but you gotta love this Pit Boss. Get these ribs on here. We're gonna put them over here on this side. Scrunch them up a little bit. We're going to let these go at the 200 degrees for 3 hours. I may come out here and spritz them a little bit every hour or so. So we'll see you in probably an hour. All right, we're back 1 hour in. Still cruising at the 200, 205. Oh yeah, they look good. I'm just going to spritz them with some apple cider vinegar. They don't look too dry. We're going to do it anyway. Alright, that's it. We'll see you in an hour. Okay. 2 hours in. Still rolling at 200. Let's give it a look. Oh yeah. They're looking good. Let's give it a quick little spritz. They're not looking dried out at all, but just to be on the safe side. All right, that's 2 hours. Come back at hour number 3, and then we will wrap them. It is windy out here, and I just did a filming of it, and I didn't hit the right button. So what we did was I got the ribs here wrapped in foil, just barbecue sauce, meat side and bone side. Getting it wrapped. We've had it unwrapped for 3 hours, and now we're going to wrap it in foil. We're going to put it back in for 2 hours, meat side down. All right, that's all there is to it. We'll be back. Okay, so filming doesn't always go as planned, but as you can see, I just wrapped them in foil. We're going to let them go for 2 hours. We'll be back and we'll unwrap them. Add some more barbecue sauce. Thinking maybe a little honey to help them get a little extra sticky. And we'll go from there. See you in a bit. Okay, 2 hours have passed. Man, it is windy out here today. So we're going to get these unwrapped. Look at all that juice. Over. And I'll put the rest of the rub that was in there just to recoat it. Remember, it's got that brown sugar in there, so that'll help with get them nice and sticky. And some more barbecue sauce. Okay. Did bring a brush out here. Brush it on a little bit. Kind of makes like a little bit of a mud on top. That add its rub and then the barbecue sauce. Look at that, nice and thick. All right, we're gonna get this on for 1 more hour. See if we can do this without making a mess. Alright, that looked good. Okay, final hour. Right under 200. It's a little windy today. So, there's what we got. Look at that. So, 3 hours unwrapped, 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour sauced again, and unwrapped for the 3-2-1 at 200 degrees. Here we go. Let's get this off and get it inside. Okay, look at these wet, sticky baby back ribs. Look at that smoke ring. Wet, sticky, fall off the bone. Absolutely delicious. Okay, and that's how you do it. Man Kitchen Recipes, extra meaty, wet and sticky baby back ribs. Hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll keep making more videos. Have a great day.